Hello guys, so in this section I'm going to be taking us on how to rotate images with Python. So all what you just need to do is just install this library, pip install pillows. Don't forget to include the exclamation mark if you're actually running it with your Jupyter notebook. So after that you just need to import the library. That will be from p import image. So we're going to import the image. So we need to create an object of that. That will be df equals to image dot open. So inside this argument, we are going to pass in the file path for the image we want to make use of. So the file path is actually, the image is actually in the current directory that I'm working with. So I just need to pass the name, but in your own case, you need to pass the full path here. So I'm going to run it now. So the image is actually large. If you actually check it now, check the size. Sorry, you see that the image is large. So I just need to resize it. So I just need to say image.resize. So I'm going to resize it to 120 by 120. It's not compulsory you size it onto 120 by 120. So this is it now. So this is the image here. So I'm going to store it in a variable name again. That will be x equals to this. So if I call on x now, we have the image. So the next thing, I can also increase the size to, let's say 300 by 300, let's say 320. So if I run it, we still have the image here. So this is a picture of myself. So I'm coming. Let me reduce it so that, because of our screen. Yes, so I'm going to run it again. We have this. So that in order to rotate it, there is a method there for rotate. You just need to say s.rotate. Then once you call on rotate, then you need to pass in the angles. So you can actually rotate by 90. So we have this. You can rotate it by 120 degree. Have this. You can rotate it by 180 degree. So it's going to flip up downward. You can rotate it by 270 degree. And if you actually want to return it back, you can just rotate it by 360 degree. So anyone that is actually okay for you, you can just play around with this thing. So another one is that if you actually want to mirror it, like you want to flip it. So for that, you just need to say s. Don't forget, x is the original state of my picture. If this is in 270, if I run it, we have 270, and if I run this one, so x alone is the original state of my image, which is this here, the resized one. So you just need to say s dot transpose dot transpose. Then you're going to say image dot flip. So image dot flip. So you can actually flip it left to right or top to bottom. So if I use the flip left to right, if I run it now, can you see that it actually flip it? Then if I actually want to make use of the second one, which is top to bottom, so we have this one as well. So once you are done with it, you can just save it to a variable name, and then the next thing you just need to save it. So that will be, so I'm going to run it first, then I'm going to save p.save. So you just need to save it, then pass in the name you want to use. You can just pass in let's say dg dot png. So that is, so once you run it now, it's going to save the image. So, and that is all about this section. Thank you so much.